By the grace of God, weekly levels are ready and I am presenting over here. Now, how to trade on these levels? Again and again I have mentioned, I am just repeating it out over here, that what we have to do is, there are the two levels are being given under the section trigger point. You are going to buy when price is above trigger points, and whenever price falls below these trigger points, you are going to initiate a sell or book your profit in the long position. Either of the two you can do. If you are in the equity market, you will only buy and book profit, and you are trading in a future market, then what you can do is buy above the trigger points and sell below the trigger points. And where to book the profit? Then there are the three resistance and three support levels are being given. We can book some part profit at resistance 1 and some another profit at resistance 2, and completely book all your profits at resistance 3. Now, even if the price moves above the resistance 3, then it may sharply move up. For that also we should keep in our mind, if it moves above resistance 3, hold your position and make a large profits. But if it drops below resistance 3, again you can book your profit and can initiate the sell also. Now, another thing, once it dropped below the trigger points, then there are the support 1, support 2, support 3. Partially you can book the profits as support 1, support 2 and support 3. One thing more I want to tell you. The importance of resistance 2 and support 2 is also very important. Resistance 2 also work as a trigger point and support 2 also work as a trigger point. It means what? Buy above resistance 2 and sell below the resistance 2, or buy above the support 2 or sell below the support 2. That is also a trigger point. If you miss the trigger point, then you should wait that it reach to resistance 2 or support 2 to initiate a new trade. New trades, where you can initiate a new trade, it's at trigger points, support 2 and resistance 2. Just you have to do is buy above, sell below. Now, there should not be a sharp razor like resistance 2. It is 17,636 you are buying, and even on 17,636 you are selling. You should make a gap. Just you have to do is divide resistance 2 with 300, and whatever the outcome is, say outcome is 60, just add to resistance 2. Now you buy above 17,636 plus 60 means 17,696. You buy at that point and sell at 17,636, which is resistance 2. In the same fashion, at support 2, again divided by 300, say outcome is 60, just deduct it from the support 2. Now, what the outcome is? 16,821. Sell at 16,861 and buy at 16,881. Now you have the gap. All right, with these words, I give you my blessings, lots of love, and then happy trading, happy investing to all my students. Wish you a great good luck.